Me up like the girl too lion wicked in a blood clot. Come on for this. Big stinking girl, come on for your come on for the drunk crew, come on for this dead dog, come on. The crosses, come on dead dog. When I drunk, when I dead dog, when I love so much blood clot mix up for this blood clot. Tap up the scream guy, tap up the scream guy, tap up the scream, tap up the scream guy, tap up the scream. One Derrick Morgan, tap the scream guy, tap up the scream guy, tap up the scream guy. When say anything a man want to do, them, make them do it. Make Donna do what you want to do. Donna feel glad say she try to help her and boss her. She can't take plane every minute and get a like a visa. Visa not all, anybody can get a visa. Yeah. She go and she go. She too hype. We know wish she hype over and she said she gonna carry money with her. She go and she go. And the one Paula she back up Donna like a chick man chick. Was Donna all close them. Go here Paula. How that woman do record me and put me out, tell me I beg her money and she tell me she to give me. Yeah, dirty Paula will wash her dirty clothes. My Paula go everybody run down and them go and left she and go Paula wanna have a little old careless girl. My Paula go out to her business. And Paula. Paula set it up. Hello, good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Hello?
Hi, Uncle.
How you do?
What? Paula,
No,
wicked girl.
Yeah.
She wicked. Donna yard girl.
And she give the woman the phone and she put it out. I make the whole Franca people them turn on for me. But I'm not afraid of the Franca people, flanker them. Because they never, they just know Donna. So Donna must sit on top now, then everybody a flack her.
Yeah.
Come on for this.
Yeah.
And woman said she go church, you know. She said she go church. Me not working at church, she said she go.
And they make us free at church, Uncle. Wicked.
You want to go church. Wicked woman.
And them do, Uncle, they don't know nobody else, you know?
No. And then all that, they put it on your text set. And they put it on your text set.
If you can steal, you know.
Yeah. Everybody should get up to one trade. Everybody should get up to one trade.
Yeah?
Everybody should get up to one trade. No, sir. Everybody. Everybody.
Eh?
Antonio.
Everybody. Eh?
Take up Antonio. One of the plank of them. One of the plank of them.
Then you hear about blinga for your man now. A cuss her.
What? Because of disgrace.
And she have a heart, and she have a heart a compound arty about attack about the boy attack. She had shame herself, she must stop it still. And she make the boy say so.
Oh.
Yeah. She mind the boy wicked. Send it go get the boy this. She want to take out the she want send the boy a fire, you know. And the boy and the boy says, come to Jamaica, don't go and run the young boy again. You know, so.
Yeah, poor she.
Murder. Them little bit enough, do I love old.
And you have your husband. You have your husband. No, sir. The world and pack up. Artiban, she should never go shop back to Artiban class and bring her down wicked. No, sir. Nobody now class means I miss go back to them. You're crazy.
Identify the person.
Syria, identify the person. See that? Them are keys.
One more, uncle.
Yeah?
Grab the phone a little bit more. Because we not see it good. Yeah.
Look one and a kiss down, Them are keys.
Mr. Guys, one Ipa passa. Better now in the chat for 2 minutes.
Yeah, see them all kiss now.
One only passa.
You say my papa said I picked up what blinga.
No, blinga.
Talk to me now, blinga. Top of the scream, guy. Top of the scream.
Now I'm gonna shout everything.
Listen, guys. Ipa passa. So, guys.
What can go so? Identify the person.
Identify the person. See them are kissing.
Passa, this is the whole universe.
Huh? Send some around for Derrick now.